Module 3, Types and Causes of Conflict. 1. Classification of conflicts. Conflicts can be categorized based on the level of interaction, scope, and parties involved. Major types include A. Interpersonal conflict. Occurs between individuals due to differences in personality, communication styles, values, or goals. Examples: disagreements between colleagues, family members, or friends. Key consideration: often influenced by emotional triggers, perception gaps, and relational history. B. Intragroup conflict. Occurs within a team, department, or small group. Common causes include role ambiguity, unequal workload, differing priorities, or incompatible work styles. Implications: can hinder team cohesion, reduce productivity, and cause internal tension. C. Intergroup conflict occurs between two or more groups, departments, or organizational units. Sources include competition for resources, conflicting goals, or misaligned strategies. 2. Causes of conflict. Understanding the root causes is critical for designing effective interventions. Conflicts arise from multiple dimensions. A. Communication-related causes: misunderstandings, misinterpretations, lack of clarity, or poor listening. Examples: misreading tone in emails, failure to convey expectations, or conflicting messages from management. B. Resource scarcity conflicts emerge when limited financial, material, or human resources create competition. Examples: budget disputes between departments or teams competing for shared equipment. C. Value and belief differences, conflicts due to differing ethics, cultural norms, religious practices, or moral perspectives. Example: workplace disagreements over acceptable business practices or work-life balance expectations. D. Personality and behavioral clashes. Conflicts arise from differences in temperament, behavioral styles, or emotional responses. Example: a dominant personality may clash with a more reserved team member, leading to tension. 3. Conflict triggers and escalation factors. Certain triggers can intensify conflicts if not managed promptly. Perceived injustice or inequity. Feeling unfairly treated can escalate minor disputes into serious conflicts. Competition and scarcity. Competition for promotions, resources, or recognition can fuel tension. Emotional stress. High-pressure environments, burnout, or personal stress can exacerbate disputes. Cultural misunderstandings, differing conflict norms, communication styles, and value systems can trigger cross-cultural conflicts. Power imbalances, disparities in authority or influence can create resentment and resistance. 4. Functional versus dysfunctional conflict. Conflict is not inherently negative. It can be. Functional conflict stimulates creativity, encourages critical thinking, and strengthens relationships when managed constructively. Dysfunctional conflict leads to destructive behaviors, decreased productivity, and relational breakdowns when unmanaged or escalated. Key insight: the same conflict can have different outcomes depending on perception, management approach, and intervention timing. 5. Practical applications of Module 3. By mastering the types and causes of conflict, you will be able to accurately identify and categorize conflicts in diverse settings, recognize early warning signs of escalation, analyze underlying interests, needs, and systemic factors contributing to disputes, apply tailored strategies for interpersonal, intragroup, intergroup, and organizational conflicts, implement preventive measures to reduce recurrence and promote harmony.